What you can expect as a Pretty Handy Guy. Pretty Handy Guys has an excellent reputation with 20 years of experience, marketing expertise, and an existing client base. What's in it for me, you may ask? Plenty of job assignments, reliable office support, easy user-friendly mobile apps with career and trade skills training, and same-day paycheck. What's required of me? Simply submit our online application below, submit your documentation, complete our online training course, and finally receive your first job assignment. What are you waiting for? Click the link below and get started now.